This one is called Roosterita, okay? Roosterita, Sriracha, okay? Salt. We remember a glass in Sriracha and then dip it in some salt. Look at this bad boy. Ooh, I love you. Okay, nice. Then we come behind with some ice in our glass, some tequila, beautiful. Follow that up with a little bit of Cointreau, okay? It's like a margarita so far, okay? Fresh squeezed lime juice, okay? Definitely margarita family going on here. Okay, but guess what? We're not done yet. Sriracha, okay? See, that was the twist. Y'all like, man, it's just a standard margarita till we hit it with the Sriracha, okay? Why don't you just call this a Sriracha margarita? Okay, but anyway, the name is Roosterita. We can roll with that. Homeboy, spicy, jalapeno too? Woo, okay, are you ready to try? Let's see Brittany, okay? She look a little nervous. Guys, we have more cool margaritas out there for your party, so go check out tipsybartender.com. Oh, what's she eating? The jalapenos? Raw, okay. Okay, this girl taking it to the, okay, let's really put it to the test now. Okay, let's see what you got here, all right? Okay? Oh my God. I don't know, guys, I find this kind of hilarious. I know you guys are like, not that hilarious, but it's funny to me, okay, that she's that nuts. Anyway, tipsybartender.com, check us out.